Confused about your affiliate marketing options? Learn more here. Many people starting affiliate marketing often find that it is difficult finding enough traffic for their sites. If you're one of these people, then you're at the right place. This video covers many of those issues, and gives tips that can help streamline your sites, attracting more people and generating more money. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility, being connected to a shady company will hurt it. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. When trying to get ahead in affiliate marketing, it's a good idea to use some type of time management software to assist you. By using software to help you, you can set start dates, time yourself, and keep better track of what you're doing. Software makes it easy to streamline the process, and keeping track of time helps you stay on task. If you're an affiliate marketer who operates a blog, you definitely want to keep tabs on which blog posts are more popular and which aren't receiving any feedback. You don't want to delete unpopular blog posts, but you will want to stick with the working themes and add more content that your visitors appreciate. As stated earlier, many people make these simple mistakes and yet don't even realize it. As long as you avoid them and follow this guide, you will be on your way to building and maintaining a better site, attracting more people, and ultimately making more money. Good luck! Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.